Hello YouTubers, welcome back to GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair, where my job is to save you money. Good morning. Today I'm working on a 2014 Nissan Frontier 2.5 liter automatic, two-wheel drive. This vehicle wasn't an accident, and customer wanted to upgrade and install the fog lights here. So we did it. He bought the kit. That was the name of the kit, and it came with all the brackets, the bolts, adapters, and this harness here, which is all good. And here's the switch, and on and off. Anyhow, this is supposed to the switch is supposed to go here. Now what we're gonna do, we are gonna replace this switch. Okay, the original switch comes with a switch here to control, to turn the lights on and off. This one doesn't. Okay, but then it's pre-wired, so we're gonna change that here. I'm sorry about the door. Anyhow, the way we're going to remove this switch is going to be removing 3 bolts here on the bottom. Let me turn the light on here to show you. There should be 1, 2, then 3 over there. Alright, so I'm gonna put this thing here. I'm gonna use a Phillips screwdriver. I'm sorry about the beeping. The key is off, so 1, 2, and the last one is over here. That's number 3. Okay. Next thing that we're gonna do, I'm gonna get in the car now. Thank you. And here we need to separate the covers, right? So I'm gonna put this here. Hopefully you guys can see okay. I'm gonna put it right about here using a screwdriver here. There we go. That's nice. Remove this. Now here is a new part. This is the part that we're gonna use. And let me get it out of the box. That's it. Brand new. Now you can see it right there. Have the switch on and off for the light, the fog lights. Right there. Alright. And this one you can see doesn't have that. Okay. So let's get this out of the way. Here is a tab right there. It's another tab here on the bottom. So we're gonna squeeze and gonna pull. Just come like that. This switch, I don't know if you guys can see it, have like 2, 4, 6, 8 pins, which is great. This one has 8 pins too. The only thing it doesn't have, the other one doesn't have the switch to turn everything on and off. So we are going to install it. Okay. Lights are on. So far so good. All the lights work. Those are not on yet. Now we're gonna turn this on. Yeah, look at that. Vehicle's working. All the lights are working. Excellent. Well, now we have to reinstall the cover, 3 bolts, and the high beams work. Perfect. So this switch work, and that is faster than installing all the wire harness here, which I really feel like too much extra work. If the vehicle is already pre-wire, let's use what it come from factory, change that switch, and it's a lot easier and clean. All right, so I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, leave your comments down below. I got that switch from Amazon, and that was like 27 bucks. So it's not that expensive. It's better to spend 27 bucks than the time it's gonna take me to wire all this stuff and bringing everything underneath, finding the right fuse, power and ground, and all those things. So that's the reason I decided to go with the switch. All right, so again, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you for any donations that you do to the channel and make to the channel. Appreciate it in advance. And as usual, you know, God bless, do your best, forget the rest, and I will see you in the next video. Later.